Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Gemini account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Gemini account, start by visiting the Gemini website. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the home page. Fill in your email address and create a secure password for your account. Once you've entered your information, click on the Create Account option. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Gemini. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verifying your email, return to the Gemini website to log in. Enter your email and password, then click on the Login button. Upon logging in, you will be prompted to complete your profile. Provide your personal information, including your name, address, and phone number. Next, you will need to verify your identity with a government-issued ID. Upload the requested document as instructed by the platform. Follow any additional steps required for identity verification. Once your identity is confirmed, you can set up two-factor authentication for added security. Link your bank account or payment method to enable deposits and withdrawals. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then agree to proceed. After completing these steps, your Gemini account will be fully activated. You can now explore the platform and start trading cryptocurrencies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.